Look what came today. Inside this box is 2 donut peach trees. Yay! Okay, my husband just opened the peach trees and they look very nice. So we are going to put some water in this and we're going to soak them for a couple hours. If I had some Super Thrive or something like that, that's even better to put it in, but we don't at the moment. Maybe we'll go get some. These are the donut peach trees, the Saturn peach trees, and we have been wanting to get these for a while, a couple of years at least, when we first tasted donut peaches. So here's the top, which is wonderful, but the thing I'm the most excited about is these roots. They look wonderful. Okay, let's get them soaking. We're going to plant those today. So I have the peach trees soaking, and those will get planted tonight, and then I have a whole bunch of plants here that are going to have to go in the ground in the next couple days. But I have to get help because of my back injury, so I can't do this all by myself. Look what my family is doing while I'm laying down because my back hurts so bad. Oh, they're making my bench. Oh, it's going to be so pretty right there. And these are going to get planted this week. Thank you guys. Oh, I love it so much. We need 12 of them.
No, go for it.
Thank you so much, Linz. Look at you making that. And Daddy, of course.
Don't worry, I know how to do it.
Look, this was only $50 on Amazon. I honestly want to get a few more. Make my front yard look like a park.
Got it.
It'll be so pretty. Isn't it beautiful?
There you go.
So I want 2 by this
First way on the first
patio that we put together by this front yard here. We just put wood chips down because they were free. Wouldn't that be glorious to have 2 here? And then let me show you where else I want some. I mean, I could put them everywhere. This open section here, I'm not quite sure what we're doing with it yet. I want like a walkway that comes up and then comes up to the front door like that. But over here, it would be really pretty to put a couple of these park benches on this side, because this side over here is where the kids play a lot. I'm actually thinking of turning this section over here into grass. I really love the wood chips everywhere, but I might choose to make this like circle area here grass for the kids and for the animals. I mean chickens and rabbits specifically. But a park bench or 2 over there would be so glorious. And this is a nice entrance to my yard over here. Trying not to make you dizzy here. Glorious view. And then I'll turn around this way. See how many spots I could put a park bench? Oh, I love it. I want 2 by the front door and maybe 2 over there. Right there. They put together my bench, and I do want 1 here and 1 over here. Oh, you too. Thank you.
like and subscribe, and just have fun with it. Pew 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 pew.
My sweet husband is putting seats together. These are campfire benches, and they're going to go right over there. And look what I get to do. Nothing better.
It's her favorite thing to do.
Hey, baby girl. These are some pots.
Oh,
Well,
besides gardening.
And there's my sweet husband and some dogs. Gorgeous mountain. And the kids are jumping on the trampoline. This is the life. Thank you. Hi, we're down here. We're planting our really expensive peach trees. And I don't mean I'm planting, I mean my husband and Ethan are planting because my back hurts and they are so wonderful. Let's get close. So I forgot to film this one, sorry. So we just put this one over here So we have the other peach trees on the other side of this fence up by my mountains. And then my son is digging a hole for this one. And we're gonna put this one over here. This is broken down wood chips. I piled it sky high. We all did like 2 feet high. And then this is the gorgeous black dirt that you get from broken down wood chips. And we're gonna put this beautiful root right in there. You can pull that root out if you can reach it.
No.
That
Well,
works.
wouldn't it just break apart anyways?
Okay, go ahead and put it in. I'll hold the stick part. My son said we are planting sticks, not peach trees. That's a $50 stick.